guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm Stella Oracle, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to order stuff from Amazon through SHARESHOPSHIP if you're in Nigeria. So keep watching if you're interested. But before we start, make sure to subscribe and like and leave a comment down below. Okay? Most of us here in Nigeria, we find it difficult to order stuff from Amazon. I, for one, have tried a bunch of times. When it gets to checkout, they'll be telling you error, or if you don't have a dollar card, or so many lame excuses. But I found this Instagram account, SHARESHOPSHIP. They deal with any kind of shipment, like anything you want to buy online from Amazon or anywhere. I don't know, but me, it was Amazon. I wanted to change my camera. I don't mind the camera I'm filming with. I know it will be noisy. I'm shooting now with my Canon PowerShot, I.L.Y.S PowerShot, whatever. But it films in 720, so I know this won't be clear. I normally film with my iPhone 11, but it has been giving me a lot of storage issue. Like, even taking pictures now is a problem for me, so I have to upgrade my camera, which is what is in here. I ordered it like 2 weeks ago, and it came like so quick. Like, I don't think it's been over 2 weeks. Let me check. I ordered this 5th October, and today is what exactly? Today is 17th, so do the math. I'm not good at math. I found this account on Instagram. Actually, I.L.Y.S M, I chatted him up on Instagram, telling him that I don't know how to order what I need from Amazon because I've been trying to get stuff from them, but it doesn't. The process wasn't even funny. If you're in Nigeria and you're trying, I don't know about other countries. I'm only saying about Nigeria because I'm in Nigeria. So I've been trying, but I couldn't. So I talked to I.L.Y.S. He's a vlogger. He's a content creator. He's a YouTuber. So he now referred me to SHARESHOPSHIP. I messaged them. They told me to just go on Amazon and whatever equipment, because I needed a new camera. This is the last time I'm filming with this camera, so don't mind the quality. This is the last time you ever see it. So they told me to just go on Amazon and click the whatever gadget I want to buy, then send the link to them. I'll leave all the screenshots right here, because even for me to screen record this conversation I had with SHARESHOPSHIP, my phone storage won't let me, so I will just screenshot most of them and place it somewhere around here. So I did, and it was like, I've never, like, this was a smooth journey for me. I just sent them everything I need, and they made the order for me, and the thing came in. I've not actually opened it. If you're looking at me, I'm very, very sick. I've been sick for like a few days now. So if you're healthy, just kneel and thank God. Money will come, but health first, because I've been so ill. I'm just managing to film this video once my lips are so dry, because I've been very, very ill. But I'm recovering. So, and my camera is here, which means we're back. So I'm so sorry I've been AWOL, I know. So back to our shipping, whatever. So if you want to order stuff and you don't know how to do it, just go and message them, SHARESHOPSHIP. They are reliable, they are fast and everything. They will just order the thing for you, you pay them, and they ship it to them in Lagos. Then they ship it to your address. I was in my sick bed when they called me on the phone and said your product is downstairs. I went downstairs and they were there. I collected it, and that was it. Very smooth and steady. Like, it didn't give me an issue at all. So let me just open this, because I bought my filming stuff in here. So I tried opening it before, but I just couldn't. I said, let me just do this for my subscribers and wait, because I was so ill I couldn't film the video. So I said, when I get it, I'm going to film the video. So they shipped the thing, like when the thing landed in Lagos, SHARESHOPSHIP now shipped it through GIG Logistics, which is good motors or whatever. So this is now the SHARESHOPSHIP packaging. Yeah, here. So I've not actually opened this one, so I'm going to open it right now. I've not seen this, so I'm very, very excited. So I believe this one came through DHL. DHL, this one came through DHL packaging, so I don't know. I like unboxing new stuff. What the hell is this? Hold on, because it's looking as if it's not what I ordered. Oh, maybe that one is a thank you gift, because I don't know what the hell this is. That's why I'm shocked. So this is my packaging. I got a mini tripod. You can see I got a mini tripod. I'm going to open this later. And this is a mic that I got. I'm going to open them later. And this is my camera, Sony Zv1. It's a very, very cool camera. I've seen a lot of reviews about this camera. Like, it's a very good vlogging camera, because I don't have money to buy camera of 2 million or 1 million, so I bought this one. I think this one is about $748, which is, I don't even know, but I calculated everything total. It was 500 and something thousand. So, and what is this? Okay, this one is for my windshield, my camera when I'm driving, because I drive now, all thanks to God. I've never killed anyone on the road, and I don't plan to. So let me start unboxing them for you guys. So this is, it looks way too small in real life, because it was huge. This one is for my windshield, whatever they call it. I'll place my camera here, then I address it. And this is my mic, video micro, whatever. Look, this is how it came in. I think this is the extension something, and this is the mic. Okay, this is for the wind, not to disturb your voice or whatever. So windshield, I think this is the mic. So cute. So, and this is my mini tripod. You know, I want to start a lot of vlogging. That's why I got this tripod, because I don't have any tripod except this one that's holding my camera right now. It's so huge, and there's no how I can take it around. And in Nigeria, you can hardly find all this kind of mini stuff. You have to order them online. So I got this mini tripod. It's so little. See, and you can adjust it like this. I saw this online. You can place it however you want. I think I'll have to learn how to do this one, because I thought this used to extend or something. Okay, now I see it. I knew it used to extend. Yeah, you can hold it as a selfie or whatever. So that's my mini I.L.Y.S tripod. I love this, so cute. And last but not least, my small miniature camera. Aww. I'm so excited for this shit. This camera is so little. Oh my goodness, Lord. It's so little. That's it. So it came with this small battery here, and I think this is a windshield, I think, for your mic, internal mic or something. And this is the cord, I think, for charging or whatever. And here is the mic. This even looks finer in real life. Oh my God, oh my Jesus. And it has a flip. Look at this. You can even turn it as you want. Oh my goodness, Lord. Just look at this shit. Just look at it. Oh my goodness. Hold on. Let me put my tripod in it. This fits so perfectly. Just look at this. Look at this. Are we not good to go? We're good to go. Oh my goodness. I just have to learn how to use this camera because now our content is about to be late. Maybe in my next video I'm going to do a test of this camera, maybe a test run or whatever they call it. I don't know how to speak that good English, but I'll go around the town making videos with this and then show you guys whether it's cool for you to get this camera as well. Okay? But this is looking so good at the moment and it's so cute. You can fit it inside your pocket actually. This is Sony Zv1 if you're wondering. Sony Zv1 compact camera. It films in 4K, guys. That's the most interesting thing about this camera. But I'm just going to do a test on this in my next video so that you guys can learn a lot about this camera in case you want to get it. So I think they sent me a gift or something. Maybe, yeah, SHARESHOPSHIP. As you can see, I think they added a gift for me. So let me open it right now. Let's see what's inside. Ha! Aww! They sent me a t-shirt. Oh my goodness. I love you guys so much, and this is the best shipping company I'll call it because they made this thing easy for me. You know, for years I've been trying to order things from Amazon, but I couldn't. But once I messaged them, I'm going to leave everything for you guys here, like the screenshots of our conversations and all, and the thing went smoothly. Like there wasn't like I wasn't having this feeling of they want to scam me. Like I was too confident ordering from them, like, and the thing went really well. Like they delivered. Like it was a very good feeling, and I'll be ordering more from them, and they are my shop log now. Whatever I want, I will just go to them and tell them, they'll get it for me. So actually the total of what I got was $917. Then the shipping from Lagos to here was $60. Then everything was now $977 for all of these. So but there is like when you purchase on Amazon, they'll add the shipping, or maybe it's free or whatever. Me, I don't know. But what SHARESHOPSHIP cost me was just $60 to ship it to this place, depending on the quantity of stuff you get. So but for me it was still a very good amount because dealing with all the stress I've gone through just to order stuff from Amazon, if it was $100, I'm glad to pay it because this was the smoothest order I've ever done in my life. And SHARESHOPSHIP did not sponsor this video, in case you are wondering. They did not. I'm just happy that there is a company out there that is helping us out, because to get stuff like this in Nigeria is not easy. You can find cameras but not as good as this. So yeah, I'm really glad. But in Naira, the whole thing cost about 562,000 Naira, which was 563,000 Naira. So it's $500,000, and it's okay considering how much cameras cost. If you're a fan of the movement, you know how much camera she's using is up to $1 million, and I don't have that kind of money, so I'll use this one to make more money to buy a good camera. But this one is very good. I've heard a lot about this camera, that it films in 4K and all that, but I'm going to do a test with it and I'll show you guys my own review about it. So that's it for today's video. I'm going to leave all the screenshots here, but if I can do this thing screen record, because my phone doesn't have space anymore. That's why I've not been filming for a while. If you notice, I've been gone for like a month. So but now we're steady. I know I'm ill, but I'll get better. So that's it for today's video. Thank you, SHARESHOPSHIP. I love this shirt so much. I'm going to wear it. I'll plaster it on my like this to school tomorrow, so that everyone will go and patronize guys, because you guys are just the most legit company I've seen so far. So So I'm going to be ordering stuff from you guys all the time. Just get ready for me. So yeah, I love this t-shirt so much. And all this cool stuff I got, especially this mini lousy tripod. It's so cute, guys. You guys cannot even imagine. You can place it down like this and shoot, and it goes all the way like this. If you want to turn your camera, you turn it like this. It just does whatever you want it to do, and it stretches. Can you imagine? It stretches. Yeah, I love it. So yeah, that's for today's video, and sorry for the bad quality camera that I'm using right now and the bad maybe outside noises. This will be the last time you ever hear it. Just pardon with me, okay? Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys next time. Please make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on your post notification. I'll see you next time. Bye. Mwah.